What if I told you that I turned this photo into a video ad in just 60 seconds?
Real oranges, real flavor, real refreshment. Orange. Open the fresh.
And you can now easily make long-length ads for your products with lots of different scenes, just like the one you're seeing now, all by typing just one simple instruction into an AI. Crazy, right? It traditionally costs thousands to make an advert, but if you start making them with some brand new AI tools that just dropped, it now costs just a few dollars. So now I'll show you the 3 levels of using these new AI tools to make amazing ads. Starting off with how to turn your product image into a stunning short video with voiceover, like this video that you saw at the start.
Real oranges, real flavor, real refreshment. Orange. Open the fresh.
So to make the video, we're going to use this new AI tool, which you can see here is called Wonder. And this lets anyone create videos simply by chatting with the AI. You can see here, create and edit professional content through natural conversation. We'll simply start by simply pasting in here the prompt for what we want in our video. I'll write this complete prompt out in the description to this video so that you can check it out if you want to. And then we simply need to upload the photo of our product. So you can see I've uploaded the photo of the can here. And then we simply press this button here to kick things off. And within a few minutes, the AI has gone ahead and created this video for me. Let's press play and check this out.
Real oranges, real flavor, real refreshment. Orange. Open the fresh.
Awesome. So we can see the individual parts of this video down here on this timeline. We've got the video down here on the very bottom layer, and then we've got that separate voiceover here sitting on top. And this timeline area and this separate voiceover is what makes this AI so different to the other video generators out there. One has added this voiceover here in separately above the video, where I can just come and drag it to the left and right in the timeline, and I have complete control over where that voiceover starts. So I could take it right to the start here and play the ad again, and the voiceover will play from the very start of the video. Check this out.
Real oranges, real flavor, real refreshment.
Or if I want to move it to the very end of the video, I can do that again, and we press play from the start.
Real oranges, real flavor, real.
So I have complete control of those separate elements for my ad. I can even change this voiceover to be spoken by a different speaker. So we can see up here it's currently being spoken by Alec, but I can press change voice, choose someone else. Let's try Eden, regenerate this voiceover. And now the voiceover is in that different voice that I prefer. Let's check that out.
Real oranges, real flavor, real refreshment.
This has the power for fine-tuning and customization that doesn't exist with other video generator AIs. So that 8-second long single shot video with the voiceover, it was all created automatically from this new Wonder AI. I'll put the link to Wonder in the description to this video if you want to check it out yourself. But that's just the start of what we can do. There's more tools that we can use to create even more complex, longer ads that have even more customization within them. So now I'll show you how to turn any image of your product into a 20-second long multi-scene advert from just a single text prompt, just like this one.
Luxury is not found, it is carefully revealed. A whisper of elegance, cherished in the quiet moments. Crafted to perfection, elevated beyond expectation. A scent above the ordinary.
Sometimes you'll need ads that are longer and made up of multiple scenes, and using these new tools in the way I'm about to show you, it won't take you days to make those ads. It'll take just minutes. So to make this longer ad, we're coming back into Wonder and we're going to paste in the prompt that tells the AI exactly what we want in our multi-scene ad. I'll paste this prompt into this video's description too so that you can read it as well. But I'll just mention it's important to be really detailed with your prompt here. So you'll see that I've listed out every single shot that I want included in my ad, shot 3, shot 4. I've written out what I want the voiceover to highlight, and I've even told the AI that I want text to show up at the end. This is a new tool that we're going to use in this ad that we didn't use the first time that you'll see in just a second. But yeah, I can't stress enough how important it is to be as detailed as possible in this prompt. So make sure to look at my prompt as a template. We'll then just upload the image of our product again. So we're going to use the perfume bottle that you just saw in the ad. And again, we'll press this button here to let the AI do its thing. And here we can see the AI has gone ahead and created that commercial for us and placed all the assets down here for us, ready to be included in our ad. We can see here that we just need to give approval for the AI to go ahead and generate the videos for us. But one manual thing I've noticed we need to do at this point is we just need to click into each of the videos about to be generated down here on the bottom layer. Click into them, go to settings, and just change frames to video to image to video here. And then I like to use VO 3.1 as my video generator and just set that off generating. We can close that and let it generate in the background, and then just do the same for the next 3 videos down here that are going to be generated too. So I'll just do that 3 more times for each of these. Those videos just take a few minutes to generate. You can see down here they're all done. And now we can just press generate all to have all of these other assets on the other layers of the timeline. So the voiceover, the music, the text. We'll press generate all to get those generated too quickly. Now that's done, we can take this back to the start of the timeline and press play to check out our new 20-second long multi-scene advert.
Luxury is not found. It is carefully revealed, cherished, and elevated.
Okay, I've just watched this through for the first time and I didn't really like the music that was made for it. So we can quickly change that by clicking into this music track and just simply pressing regenerate to get it to make a new track for us. So we'll do that now. And now that's been changed, I can give this a quick listen through again. Yeah, that sounds good, but it sounds like this video clip had some music baked into it when it was created. So I can just click that and I'm going to turn the volume down on this clip that's been created for me because I think it's clashing with the music that's been generated. So let's turn that down, have a listen again. So much better. One final change too. We've only got this single voiceover that's been generated here. Let's play through that.
Luxury is not found. It is carefully revealed, cherished, and elevated.
I want more talking in this ad, and ideally I'd have these words spoken at the end when the text pops up. So I'm just going to ask the AI to do that for me. So I've written this prompt here asking for more speaking throughout the ad and for these words at the end to be said when they show. Let's just ask the AI for that and see how it does. And after just a few minutes, we can see written right here that the AI has automatically updated this video with new voiceovers. You can see on the timeline, there's 4, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Let's give this a play and see that change.
Luxury is not found. It is carefully revealed. A whisper of elegance, cherished in the quiet moments. Crafted to perfection, elevated beyond expectation. A scent above the ordinary.
Awesome. So as you've seen making this ad, there's even more tools for us to use. We've got music that we can make, text that gets automatically added onto our ads. We can regenerate anything that we don't like and also just type in any changes that we want, and the Wonder AI will make those edits for us automatically. And what I showed you for when I was generating those videos at the start, you can go into the settings and manually choose any video generator technology that you want used for your ads. You've got complete control here to use whatever you prefer. I'm really impressed at what I've seen available here in this new all-in-one solution. We're able to make ads lightning quick at a fraction of a cost with a monthly subscription to Wonder compared to what you would have traditionally paid for an advertising agency to go ahead and make an ad like this for you. It's nuts. At the time of filming this video, I'm using my access to an early beta version of Wonder, but the Wonder team have told me that by the time the tool is launched publicly, so when this video goes live on my channel, there's going to be even more features inside there. Things like AI avatars, creative video templates are getting added in too, meaning that you'll be able to make an even wider variety of ads using the tool by the time you're watching this. And there's even more that this new AI can do. I'll show you now how it can create a complete idea for a multi-scene advert from just looking at your product image. In the past, you may not have had any good ideas for adverts, and you may have ended up paying an agency to create those ideas for you. This AI solves that problem. Check this out. I just upload the image of this clothing product that you'll see on screen now that I want an advert created for. And then I just simply ask the Wonder AI to create a 30-second advert for that product. I say that I want the advert to motivate the viewer to buy the product, and I want the product to be shown being used. Go ahead and press submit. Do that same next step where we just make sure that the videos are being generated by following the image to video process. And I like to use VO 3.1. We'll do that for all 4 of the videos that are being created by the AI. Once those 4 videos are generated, we just press generate all again to get everything else made for us. And once that's all created, we can just go ahead and play this and use it as a starting point for inspiration for our ad. So we'll just go ahead and play what the AI created for us now. And remember, this is just draft 1, meant to get our creative juices flowing. This isn't the finished product, but let's have a little watch.
In a world that's always moving, find your moment of stillness, your comfort. Wrap yourself in unparalleled softness that feels like a warm hug.
So you get the point. This isn't the finished ad, but it's starting to give us some ideas of what the voiceover can say and the types of visuals that we could use in our finished ad. The AI has gone ahead and created this whole concept for us, and it's just really useful for us to start brainstorming and to build on. And for instance, say I didn't like one of the shots and I got an idea of how it could be improved, I can just tweak it. So let's change this to a woman drinking a bottle of water rather than coffee. I just need to go into settings, make sure that the image to video is selected on VIA, and I'll just change this to sips from a clear plastic bottle of water. Press generate, and here we go. We now have our woman drinking from a water instead of mug. And that's just one example of how what we see might spark ideas, and we can just easily go in and customize it. We have complete control here, and that's what blows me away with this new AI. We're able to make ads so quickly at a low cost, customize them completely, and it just gives accessibility to people to make their own ads, whereas in the past they would have had to have paid agencies thousands. I can't restate my amazement here of the ease of ad creation that this new AI gives everyone. So if you want to check out Wonder yourself, I'll pop the link in the description. Little reminder again. I'm really impressed, and I don't think you should miss it. If you want to see a comparison of different AI video generators, you can watch this video next, where I've compared some of the latest and best generators. I was using VO 3.1 in this video. As I said, I prefer it, but if you watch this review, you can see them go head to head and make your own mind up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.